Unboxing idioms. Understanding hedged in. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, hedged in. This is a common expression you might encounter in everyday conversation, literature, or even in business contexts. So, let's get into the heart of this phrase and explore how you can use it effectively in your own English communications. The phrase, hedged in, originates from the literal action of surrounding a piece of land with a hedge for protection or to mark a boundary. In a figurative sense, when we say someone is hedged in, we mean that they are restricted or confined to a space or situation, often by circumstances that are beyond their control. Imagine being surrounded by a thick hedge without a clear path out. That's how one might feel when they are hedged in. They have limited options and feel somewhat trapped. To get a real taste of how hedged in is used, let's look at some examples. Ever since the new policies were implemented, the employees felt hedged in by too many restrictions. Living in a small town, she felt hedged in and dreamed of moving to a big city with more opportunities. The contract had him hedged in. He couldn't take on any other projects for the duration of it. In these sentences, hedged in describes a feeling of being confined or limited, whether by rules, geography, or legal agreements. Understanding synonyms can expand your vocabulary and help you express the same idea in different ways. Some synonyms for hedged in include constrained, restricted, confined, trapped, boxed in. These synonyms can be used interchangeably depending on the context, but they all convey a similar feeling of limitation. Now, how can you start using hedged in your daily English? Here are a few tips. Expressing personal feelings. When you feel limited by your environment or situation, hedged in can be a perfect phrase to describe that sensation. Describing others. You can use it to empathize with someone else's situation when they are facing restrictions. Analyzing literature. This phrase is a handy tool when interpreting characters' situations in books or movies. Remember, like many idiomatic expressions, hedged in is best used in informal contexts. We hope this exploration of the phrase, hedged in, has given you a clear idea of how to use it and what it means. Language is a beautiful labyrinth of expressions, and you've just navigated one of its many intriguing paths. Keep practicing, and don't let your language learning journey be hedged in by fear of making mistakes. Happy speaking, and see you in our next video.